guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oblong Polka Dots and my name is Kerr, and on this channel we talk about makeup, skincare, and beauty. So if that's something you're into, you've come to the right place. Today I have a haul for you. See all these boxes over my shoulder? These are all representing hauls. Let's just grab one at random and see what we got. Okay, we have a box here from Unearthly Cosmetics. So today's haul is going to be about Unearthly Cosmetics. I think this is my first purchase with them. And this is what's inside. And let's take a look. Ooh, their packaging. They do a good job with this, actually. It's got recycled bits of cardboard, which I think is better for the environment, because if you're going to have cardboard and keep using it over and over again, that's a good thing. All right. Let's set this down. And then here's what we have inside. I believe I ordered 2 palettes, but I can't remember, so let's take a look. I did. Here they are. They're wrapped up. Let's see what the first one is. So this is the Poison Apple Alien Cosmetics Serendipity Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. And that's what the packaging looks like on the outside. It reminds me of a Garbage Pail Kid a little bit. Do you remember those? Let's look at the actual palette though. I can't remember why I ended up going on this site to buy these, but I think it's because they were on sale. Because I'd never purchased anything from this brand before, but I had seen it. And let's see. So the box matches the actual packaging for the palette itself. And then here's what the back looks like. And let's see. The palette does come with a mirror. So I'll fold that back for you. And these are the colors. It's got a plastic slip over the top of it. So let's see. Take that off. All right, here we go. This is what the palette looks like. These pans are gigantic, you guys. Oh my gosh, they're huge. Let's swatch a couple of these just because I want to see what the formula is like. I'm going to go here with this, how about this top row right here? So we have Empire, Granny Smith, and Golden. So this top row right here. And I feel like the colors are coming out okay on camera. So this is pretty much what they look like. And let's see. Let's swatch it. We got Empire. Ooh, this formula feels dry, but it looks pigmented. And then this is Granny Smith, which is a, so this one is a matte, is Empire. Granny Smith feels more like a satin. It's got that shiny kind of iridescent look to it. And then Golden is another matte, but it feels really kind of creamy. It's got a very creamy feel to it. So that's what that looks like. And then let's see what they look like on me. So for the Golden, I know that yellows are really, really hard to formulate. And you can see what that looks like. So it's kind of chunky. We'll see what it looks like when I try to do a look with it. I'll see how it goes on with the brush. But these are the swatches for now. And I think that these 2 turned out better. That Granny Smith and Empire. And then again, this one is Golden. So that's what they look like. Yeah, I have wipes next to me finally, you guys. Getting it together. If you watch my channel for a while, you know that I always was forgetting wipes. So now I just remember to keep one next to me so I can actually use it. Okay, so we're going to wipe this off, and then let's take a look at, let's see. I'm going to close this one. Again, one more look for you. Okay. And then let's look at this other one. Put this back in the box for now. I'll take it out when I'm ready to use it and get rid of the little sleeve. Okay, so this other one is, if I recall, I think this is actually the reason why I wanted to make this purchase. This one is called Fallen Magic, and it has the Unearthly Cosmetics actual name on here, whereas the other one still has the old name for the company. The brand, they changed their name from Alien Cosmetics, I believe, to Unearthly. So same company, different name. And I believe the formulas are the same. So for this one, it comes in a sleeve like this. And it looks like the packaging is the same as the sleeve. It's got a nice fall motif. Oops. Also has a plastic slip that comes on the top of it. And then it also comes with a mirror. So it'll go like this. And that's what this palette looks like. Okay, here we go. I'm not sure it's coming out as well on camera. I feel like the shades in the pan are a little bit darker. And again, these pans are pretty big. They're humongous, actually, compared to a lot of palettes that I use. So if you're looking for a brand that has gigantic gigantic pans, then this might be it for you. Because I know for some of these palettes, I'll end up gravitating toward one color, and that one color I use up like right away. So it's nice when you find a palette that has bigger pans and there's maybe one or two colors you love, so you can keep using them for a long time, like if you want to mix and match. And then this is a mix too of mattes, and it looks to me like maybe shimmers and satins. So why don't we get some swatches going? How about we swatch, how about this one right here, this kind of pewter color, this cashmere. Actually, let's just do this column right here. We'll do these three. So that would be Cashmere, Magic, and Branch. So Cashmere, Magic, and Branch. Let's see what it looks like. So Cashmere is the satin. It's a really nice pewter color, which I totally gravitate towards. Magic is also a satin. I thought it was going to be like a chunky glitter, but it's definitely more of a satin. And then Branch is a matte, and it's very creamy feeling. So that's what they look like. And then here's how they swatch. Oh, these swatch much better together. Nice. This is a good formula. I think it's just that yellow one from the other palette was no good, but I think that these are nice. They feel good. Look at that. Very nice. Yeah, so I think I'll be able to work with this no problem. These are more fall colors, but you can wear any colors you want whenever you feel like. So I definitely plan to make a look with both of these palettes, and I will film it and I'll share it with you guys and let you know what I think. But yeah, this is my first foray into Unearthly Cosmetics, and I'm glad that I had the opportunity to make this purchase. Again, I believe that I bought these two palettes because they were on sale. Typically, if I don't know a brand very well, I may not want to purchase their product at full price. I mean, I never want to purchase anything at full price, but more importantly, if I don't know the brands, then I'm not sure of what I'm getting, so I'd rather get the deal. You know what I mean? So again, these are the two palettes that I picked up. I'm excited to use them. Let me know what you think. Have you used these before? Have you shopped with this brand before? What do you think? Have you made looks? If you've made looks, link them below so we can all go take a look at that. All right, thank you so much, you guys, for coming to my channel. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.